In this video, I will show you what to do if you are having problems charging your iPhone, both Type-C iPhones and also Lightning port iPhones. So for example, when you actually try to charge your phone, if you insert your cable, nothing happens, or maybe it's charging very slowly, or if you try to actually insert the cable, if it doesn't even go fully inside, or it's maybe loose and as soon as you maybe touch it a bit, the charging stops. So any of these problems. So the most common cause of all these problems is you might simply have something stuck in your charging port of your iPhone, especially if you basically place your phone a lot of in pocket, which might have some lint, some dirt already in your pocket, so it can easily get trapped in your charging port and it will essentially prevent your phone from being charged. So first, the Type-C iPhones. So also, yeah, the best tool to basically clean them would be to simply get the smallest sewing needle that you can get. So again, not the large big one, so like this one. So again, avoid getting this one, but like a tiny one. So, and then this is, for example, what the charging port actually looks like. In the middle, we have one large strip, which has got few connectors, pins that essentially connect to the cable and pass through electricity and also data. So we obviously do not want to damage these. So we are going to simply take our needle and in the scooping motion, while sticking near the edges, simply try to get whatever might be inside. So again, repeat on both sides. Also, I suggest not to go in the corners. For corners, I suggest you to simply grab a small toothbrush. Also, a blower like this also can be helpful. So let me show you how to do that on this phone. Okay, so this iPhone 17 here with a Type-C. But again, any Type-C iPhone, yeah, will do the same. So while holding your phone like this, so everything falls out, we would simply insert our needle here and keep scooping like this and try to get whatever is inside out. Okay, and also repeat on the other side. So you see there's something definitely already inside in this iPhone, so we want to get this junk out. So again, some lint from pocket. So again, and keep scooping like that. So after scooping for whatever, how long you need, again, maybe get a blower like this and simply blow inside. So we want to force all the remaining junk outside. So again, the main purpose of the needle is to dislodge the junk, basically make it loose, and with this one simply blow it out, force it out. Also a toothbrush again can be very helpful. So we can insert the toothbrush here and clean it up, brush it up. It will help dislodge the finest particles here. And again, find a way how to blow inside. So again, a blower like this probably is the cheapest and easiest way. Okay, and should be good to go. On a Lightning style iPhone, it's even easier. So for it, we can use pretty much any size needle or maybe literally even a toothpick, since the port is actually quite large. And again, the pins are actually on the side, so in the middle we do not have anything to worry about much. So again, we would insert inside, and again in the scooping motion, again get it all the way in till the end, and again basically scrape along the bottom and try to fish out whatever is basically inside your phone. And again after that, follow up with a blower, blow out whatever is there, and yeah, your phone should be good to go. Also, make sure to obviously check the quality of your charger cable as well. As you see on the Type-C, there is also a kind of opening where some stuff can get even inside. So check if maybe there's something inside, or also the overall condition of the cable as well. So if it may be not broken, they usually break at this point. So if that happens again, you might not have the best charging experience. Also, if the port is clear and the cable is good, at least on Type-C, if you insert it, as you see, you can even dangle around the phone freely. It has such good grab here. So you see, I do not really have to worry much. It's even kind of hard to release it. So again, that indicates that the cable is good and also charging port is completely clean and good. Good luck.